Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today we have got a Formula 1 5 pack by Hotwheels. It has got Formula 1 cars from different teams. I think it's new for 2025. So look here, it's got McLaren Formula 1 team, BMW Alpine Formula 1 team, Red Bull, Sauber, and Haas. So it's got the 5 cars from 5 different teams. Let's open it up and see how does they look. So here are all the Formula 1 cars out of the box. Starting the McLaren team one, the Alpine, the Red Bull, the Sauber, and Haas. So these are the 5 cars. Don't think they are different, at least in Hot Wheels form. But obviously they have different liveries, and I think they are governed by a set of rules where you can't really change a lot in the cars. We're gonna look at all the 5 cars. So let's start with the first one, the McLaren Team F1 car. So this one is finished in the McLaren team's theme, black and orange. As you can see, you've got the Cisco, and you've got Dell, Dropbox, other sponsors. Same in the front, you've got a bunch of sponsors. And you've got typical F1 things, a big wing. These cages they were introduced, I think, a few years back. Before that, they didn't have these cages on the top, the roll cages. These were introduced because of the safety. The side, you've got orange wheels, and again the arrow goes on. I don't follow F1 that much, so I don't know what this is. Might be a camera, I guess, or might be, something to relay all that or transmit all the signals. I don't know. You do get a driver inside, and if you look, it's got the steering, which is not round in the F1 cars. So yeah, overall looks like a nice casting. Just that looks from the back. Yes, stop lamps are not painted or detailed. They've got the team's livery. Now let's move to the second one, which is the Alpine. So again, basic structure looks almost same. I don't see any difference compared to the F1 from McLaren. But yeah, different theme, black, and it has got multiple colors. BMW written in Alpine and written on the side, Castro in Alpine in the front, and then some different sponsor, BWT, BRB, and more. It says number 4. I assume there. Yeah. Or does it say A? I think it says A by that. So this is the Alpine teams on different color wheels because it's got different livery. Looks good. Gonna move to the next one, which is the Red Bull team. Yeah, I think the earlier Red Bull one had very cool paint job. I don't know. This might be a different Red Bull team, but yeah, it's the Red Bull one. It's with Honda. You can see. So Honda. The Bull from the Red Bull, you got the Visa, Hugo, Cash App. It's blue. That's different from the other cars. All the other cars are black, and then they have their, stickers and other. But this one is the different one. This one is the only one that's blue in the entire 5 pack. Again, in the front, you can see it's got different sponsors. You see at the bottom that says HRC, Honda Racing. Yeah, this one looks nice. I like the paint scheme. It's not boring black. It's actually blue. Looks really good. Yeah, sometimes my camera just goes back to focusing on the other ones. Yeah, and it has got red wheels. Oh, I didn't show you anyone from the bottom, so this is how they look from the bottom. Now, let's move to the next one, which is Sauber. So again, like others, it's the base is black, and then it's on livery or stickers. This reminds me of Minecraft pixelated one. So it says kick on the side, 0, and got green wheels. Again, on the front you can see they've got different sponsors, yellow, something written in, I think, Mandarin, so I don't know. And the team name Sauber in the bottom. Same big wing and everything. Now let's move to the last one, which is... oh, I didn't say the name, which is the Haas. So again, black car with different sponsor names. MoneyGram, Haas, Chipotle. Chipotle sponsored a Formula 1. So you got the team name there, and this one actually has a flag on it. Don't think any other one does. So yeah, that's different. And you got same driver inside, steering, and it's got white wheels. From the back looks identical like the other ones. Diffuser, big wing. Yes, it looks nice. Now the big question: should you get this 5-pack? In my opinion, yes, you should, because you don't normally see Formula 1 cars, at least not with, because the paint or the livery or the team colors change all the time. So getting this, even if you're not a fan of Formula 1, it's a good addition to the collection, in my opinion. But at the end of the day, it depends on you if you like it or not. But yeah, I think it looks good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.